Hey there! Are you finding it frustrating when Warzone keeps freezing during your matches? Don't sweat it. I've got your back. In this guide, I'll walk you through some easy steps to resolve the freezing problem in Call of Duty Warzone. So, let's dive right in. Solution 1. Let's start by turning on High Performance Mode for Warzone. First, head to Settings, then navigate to System and click on Display. Scroll down and locate Graphics. Find Call of Duty HQ and click on it. Hit the Options button, select High Performance and save your settings. Now, see if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. If the issue persists, try running Warzone in DirectX 11 mode. Open the Call of Duty launcher, then navigate to Game Settings. Next, tick the box for additional command line arguments. After that, type in DD11 here and hit enter. Check if you can play without freezing. Solution 3. Update your graphics card driver might also do the trick. You have 3 options. Method 1. Update via Windows Update. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, click on Check for Updates. Let Windows handle the driver updates including your graphics driver. Method 2. If there are no updates through Windows, use Device Manager. Type Device Manager in the search box and open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your display card name. Select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Let Device Manager update your graphics driver. Method 3. Alternatively, visit your graphics card manufacturer's website to download the latest driver. Solution 4. If nothing else works, try repairing the game. Open the Call of Duty launcher, click on Settings. Select Scan and Repair. Begin the scan, update any corrupted or missing files. Once done, you should be good to go. And there you have it. That's how you resolve the freezing issue in Call of Duty Warzone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.